Welcome to our daily movement session. Let's get started. Just bring the arm up. Gentle little twist to the side. Let's wake up our bodies. Start to build some heat. We are going to move so that we can live forever. Well, maybe we can't live forever, but I bet you if we move with real intention, real purpose for the next 10 minutes, we will boost our mood and start to build some incredible energy that's going to carry us through the day. We start to pick up the pace just a little bit. Gentle movements to start. Continue to show up for ourselves. Movement that really does matter. We're not going to win any marathons or climb the highest mountains because of these workouts. But we are going to continue to build incredible mobility and strength, functional fitness, so that we can go for long evening walks, work in the garden with strength and ease, do the things we absolutely love, and just do them a little bit better, a little bit more effectively. Same movement, step back and bring the arm up. But now when you bring your arm up, focus on the strength in your arm. Just tapping the foot back, just to wake up the lower body. But your arm, feel it in your forearm, in your bicep. Almost like you're pulling your arm up through water. Feel the resistance. While we build this incredible awareness, let's build some strength while we're at it. Be here. Feel that strength in your arm. Start to bring the arm up just a little bit higher. Building that shoulder strength. Head up high. Feel the integrity in your body. That energy beginning to flow throughout. Uh-oh. Endorphins released. There's the yeah. Mood boost. Oh, it didn't take long today. Okay. Ooh, let's gently shake that out. Bring your feet a little bit more than shoulder width apart from across the body and just reach back. And then other side. Real gentle. Just a nice backstroke. Bend your knees just a little bit when you come to the front and reach back to the best of your abilities. Really breathe into this movement. Feel the aliveness within you. All that strength and energy you're cultivating. Yeah, and move with awe. Maybe you reach back and just, oh, yes, it feels good to move. I am youthful. I am strong and mobile. I am a little silly. And I think that's good too. Let's be childlike with our movements. Couple more here. Really reach back. And one more. Ooh, yes. Okay, let's take that childlike quality with a bit of a skip to the side and then reach over. Come up a little bit onto the balls of your feet and imagine yourself being pulled by a string and getting real long through the whole body, decompressing the spine. Feel that in your lower back. The whole upper body is getting a great stretch here, but feel your spine elongating when you come to the top here. There were times when I wanted to run the fastest marathon. I wanted to be the world's greatest athlete, play professional sports. Now I want to have really great, healthy lower back. These light, gentle movements done on a daily basis will absolutely unlock some of that pain and discomfort in our back, in our joints. Just keep showing up every day. Couple more here. Shoo away the big bugs, whatever they are. Don't let the things outside of us affect what's going on the inside. A gentle shake again. Bring your hands together. We're gonna go from one side right now. Down and then reach up. Squat down and come on up. Again, feel yourself get long when you come to the top. Bring those hands up as high as you can, and then down as far as possible. Building great strength in our legs, as well as just amazing mobility in our back, in our shoulders. Oh yeah. One more on this side. Oh, other side, here we go. Things could feel different from one side to the next. How about, wow, that feels different. Not good, not better or worse, just different. Just say yes to whatever the experience is. Ooh, I got cut off in traffic. Yes. Somebody is very annoying and frustrating. Yes. Thank you for teaching me patience, understanding, non-judgment. Stop judging ourselves so much. Stop judging others. Ooh, there's some freedom to that. Okay. And, oh, maybe hold it there for a second. Feel that in your entire body. Ooh. Hallelujah. Let's get some really great back strength. Just gonna bend down, touch the opposite foot, and bring the other arm back as well. Let's get a nice full body movement going here. So bend your knees when you come down, sink as deeply as you possibly can, wherever you're at. This move could look like this for you right now. If you got a sore back, things are stiff, this movement is way better than sitting on the couch or in a chair. Just some movement, any movement, is going to make a huge difference and start to transform your body. Maybe you can get down a little bit lower though. Oh yeah. Bend those knees, sink down. Maybe we build a little bit of pace to get that heart rate up. Oh yeah. Breathe into it. And come on up. Oh, right into it. Real simple. Just side to side. I find that this is one movement I'm doing often through the day. I just catch myself. Other people catch me. What are you doing? They should know better. I'm just moving my body because it feels great. But just if I'm stiff, haven't moved in a bit, this movement, just really wakes up the body, relieves some joint stiffness. And it's accessible. Move anytime, any place. You know, half the people think you're crazy if you're doing some sit to stands on a park bench or at a bus stop, and the other half will be inspired. We're never gonna please everybody. Do what works best for you. Move your body as often as possible, and you will inspire others. And it just feels good too. Reach up a little higher, twist a little deeper. So simple, so accessible. Just move. All right. Ooh, let's finish with just a little bit of balance. Just gonna step to the side, 1 foot, and come up. Arms come back here, come into prayer here. Choose your own adventure with this. Do what works for you. And just hold that for a moment. There's always opportunities to practice balance too. This will change everything. We build this incredible balance. Avoid slips and falls. As we age, one slip or fall can really make a huge impact on the quality of our life. So let's avoid that. Be preventative. Practice balancing whenever you can. When you're brushing your teeth, stand on 1 foot. When you're making dinner, stand on 1 foot. Maybe not when you're chopping. Let's not lose a limb. Whoa. I'm gonna come up onto the ball of my foot just for the last few here. If that's accessible to you, go for it. If not, just keep doing what you're doing. And last one. Whew. Yes. Oh, it feels good to move. Keep showing up. Let me know how today's session went for you. And if you like, join me for one moment just to be still. Connect to your breath. Eyes closed. Amazing way to practice balance just by standing and closing your eyes sometimes. You could even just sway a little bit and just notice the entirety of your body and watch that monkey mind. Oh, I gotta get going, I gotta get on the next thing. No, just be here. You have a moment. Slow down. Just connect to that breath. Take that level of intention through your entire day. I will see you tomorrow. I truly appreciate you being here. Goodbye and thank you.